Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing devices and accounts so enrollment is quick. Sign into your MDM console with admin rights and verify your license and platform support. Once done, generate an enrollment token or QR code and export user invites. Make sure backups exist before touching settings. On devices, enable device management or install the MDM agent, then scan the QR or open the link. This gets devices into the system and primes them for policy assignment immediately. Next, you configure policies and deploy apps so devices behave predictably. Create profiles that enforce passcodes, encryption, Wi-Fi and VPN settings, and OS update windows. Explain why each policy matters for security and user continuity. Once profiles are ready, assign apps using store links or managed app packages and push silently where possible. Then group devices by role or department and apply conditional access and compliance checks to enforce only. Finally, you validate deployments and set monitoring so problems surface fast. Check enrollment status and compliance reports, confirm apps installed, and enable alerts and logs. This gives ongoing visibility. Make sure update and remediation jobs are scheduled to fix drifting devices automatically. If a device fails compliance, try a quick re-enroll, confirm network access and certificate validity, and review the device logs for blocked policies. One troubleshooting tip: re-provisioning the MDM profile often resolves stubborn sync or policy application failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.